We have all been there. That split second where your brain searches for the heaviest, baddest word in the Jamaican vocabulary. You are ready to let it rip. But then, you catch a glimpse of your grandmother's portrait on the wall, or you remember you are standing in the middle of a crowded bus park. You pivot. You don't explode. You implode. Blurtnaut. Welcome to the world of the Jamaican clean cuss. It's the art of being 100% vexed while staying 100% respectable. Today, we look at the king of them all, Blurtnaut. To understand Blurtnaut, you have to understand the music of Jamaican phonetics. It is an onomatopoeic masterpiece, a word that sounds exactly like what it feels. The blurt part sounds like a sudden release of air, like a tire blowing out under pressure. Then comes the naught. It gives the word finality. Zero. Nothing left to say. In the country, you might hear it as Blurtnaut. In the town, it's Blurtnaut. But the secret is always in the oat. The longer you hold that last syllable, the more money you just lost, or the bigger the shock you just received. It's a sliding scale of Caribbean disbelief. But where did it actually come from? Historically, Jamaica is a high-respect culture. We are a people of the book and the church. For decades, profanity wasn't just bad manners. It was seen as a sign of low bringing up. But Jamaicans are also a high-emotion people. We don't do mild frustration. Our ancestors were linguistic geniuses. They realized they could keep the rhythm and the hard consonants of bad words, the sharp B's and the stinging T's, but swap the meaning for something nonsensical. By saying Blurtnaut or Blouse and Skirt, you get the physical relief of cussing without the social fallout. It's a diplomatic masterpiece. Think about the versatility. If you check your bank account and see it's $5,000 less than you thought. Blurtnaut, way me money gone. That is pure shock. If you are watching the Reggae Boys and they miss an open goal in the final minute. Blurtnaut, man, how him missed that? That is pure frustration. Blurtnaut sits at the top of the clean cuss family, higher than blinking, blow wow, or even rotted, because it's the most final. You can't really argue with a Blurtnaut. Once it's said, the air is cleared, and the conversation is usually over. Our language is more than just communication. It's our survival kit. It's how we balance our fire with our manners. So, next time life tries to test you, don't lose your cool. Just reach for a Blurtnaut. It's cleaner, it's funnier, and it's uniquely Jamaican. What's the one word that always gets you through a rough day? Is it a Blurtnaut or a blouse and skirt? Tell us in the comments. And please remember to subscribe to this channel, Impacting Jamaica.